What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to generate font text, 3D text styles, effects, and much more online and for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for friends of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics your international sites favor. So let's get this started. First thing, go to Google and type Text Studio, just like this. Go to the first link, textstudio.com. You're gonna be into a page like this one. You can enter with your text to use the generator or use some pre-built texts. I love the pre-built texts, okay? Because we can start, for example, with the Super Mario text or Stranger Things text, for example. Let's try Stranger Things text. Then let's try the Super Mario text. So here is the Stranger logo. We can type, for example, Visualmodo guide, for example, and the font looks like the Stranger Things font. You can apply zoom in or zoom out, in the case that you prefer. We can enter the shark dash spacing. The line height. And we can rotate the text in the case that you need. What else we can do? We can move to styles. We can apply 3D options in the case that you want. Into the lettering. We can apply icons in the case that you want. In the case that you don't like the style to build your logo type, you can just remove it. Then we can enter backgrounds. For example, we can apply some animation. And finally, you can download. Even into the free plan, you can download into the medium resolution and upload this on Canva or other tool to make it with a better resolution using AI. You can choose some formats, okay? The PNG transparent, PNG, JPG, or PDF. You can save .dex Studio to edit later. You can save to your account or make an image. And of course, download for free, okay? Easy, simple, and very effective. But what else we can do? Let's open the Super Mario one, okay? Just like this. Can you see that even into this option, you can change the colors of the fonts in the case that you prefer? Yes, we can do to styles, into the 3D filtering, you can change the colors. And imagine that you just downloaded your design, okay? You have downloaded your PNG, for example. It's downloaded. Now you can upload to your Canva account and still customize the font, okay? Applying other styles. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Visualmodo borderless plugin, free, or free Anzu WordPress theme. Still on free things, go to growth.net and submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. In addition, with our sites.gallery, a place where you can submit your site for be promoted and be awarded. And of course, you can submit your game, your app, your landing page, your site design. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!